Well, good afternoon. Much of the day has been pretty quiet, but here in the last 3 or 4 hours, we've started to see some thunderstorms develop. And the evening, at least for a few hours, could get pretty active. So let's go ahead and look at the radar picture. Not a lot of rain out there, but there are two areas. One down here southwest of Harrison, where there's been some severe weather. And then there's this growing area over here in Howell and Shannon counties, and we're going to have to watch that one. Let's start off down northern Arkansas. Again, there has been some severe weather with these cells. Right now, there is none, no watches or warnings with any of this, with the exception of a flash flood warning for much of central Newton County, and that's because you've had a lot of rain over the last couple of days, and really any moisture falling on that saturated ground is going to bring that Buffalo River and its tributaries up pretty quickly. So if you know somebody who's out on the river tonight, give them a call, tell them to watch themselves. You can see there are these pinpoint real heavy showers, and these storms have been producing some fairly large hail, and that will be the main threat as we go on in through the evening. Now up into Shannon County and sections of Howell County, this is kind of a different ballgame up in here. Yes, we have some thunderstorms developing, and a few of them are kind of knocking on the door to being severe, but they go up and down pretty quickly. So I'm not worried about a lot of widespread severe activity. What I'm worried about here is one of the models takes this little cluster of thunderstorms and blows it up into a much larger complex of thunderstorms that actually sits right over this area for about 3 or 4 hours tonight and actually produces between 1 and 2 inches of rain. So we're going to have to see if that materializes, and if it does, it'll take place between now and 10 o'clock tonight. So keep an eye on the sky in this area because there may be some flooding a little later on tonight. Moving closer to Springfield, we have a few scattered showers developing here on the east side of town as you head out Sunshine, and then just to the north and west of Seymour and Fordland, there are a couple of spotty showers there. If we back off and put this all into motion, the movement on this is going to be a little on the random side because the upper level winds are pretty light. Here's a picture of that hail that fell in Alpena at 5:40 this afternoon. It looks like a quarter in that gentleman's hand, so some pretty sizable hailstones coming out of some of those thunderstorms. And here's that futurecast I was showing you. See how this model really blows up this area of rain over here, and again produces quite hefty amounts of rain during the overnight hours, and then real early in the morning it throws up another area around Wasola between there and Gainesville, so we're going to watch that area too. By morning everything becomes quiet, but there's a new wave of energy coming off of the mountains, and by tomorrow afternoon another round of thunderstorms will be moving into western Missouri. Look at the satellite picture. Here's that next round of thunderstorms for tomorrow afternoon, and then here's a swirl down here in Arizona. That thing is going to come through on Friday, and the bottom line is the active weather is not going to quit, so you'll have to use caution on getting the lawn cut. You may have an opportunity tomorrow morning, but after that you're probably done until either late Sunday or Monday. All right, let's go ahead and get a look at our forecast sent for tonight. Some scattered showers and thunderstorms. Overnight temperatures settling into the mid-60s. We'll have a southeast wind tomorrow. Another round of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Before that happens, our high temperatures will warm back into the low to mid-80s. In fact, our official high today here in Springfield was 85 degrees, if you can believe that. Here's a look at our 7-day forecast. More wet weather Friday, Saturday. Could be some shower activity on Sunday, and temperatures will be 80 on Friday, but then we cool on Saturday. By Sunday we reach just 70. Next week, as a bonus, we get 3 dry days in a row and we'll pop the temperatures back in the low 80s. So boy, I'm ready for a stretch of dry weather.